All-party Hurriyat Conference has expressed serious concern over the deteriorating situation in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, said Indian troops, paramilitary and the police personnel during the so-called massive cordon and search operations and house raids have detained, interrogated and questioned several Kashmiris in different areas in the last few days. Indian troops have continued their violent cordon and search operations in various areas of the occupied Kashmir. Personnel from the Indian Army, Border Security Force and other paramilitary forces have been conducting CASOs in multiple towns, villages and other areas across Kulgam, Islamabad, Ganderbal, Bandipur, Baramulla, Kupwara, Kathua, Doda, Samba, Rajouri and Poonch districts. These operations are also ongoing along the Srinagar-Jammu highway. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's international advocacy for democratic values sharply contrasts with his policies in India and occupied Kashmir. While promoting democracy and condemning terrorism on the world stage, Narendra Modi has been criticized for suppressing dissent and employing authoritarian measures within India and occupied Kashmir. Two minor brothers lost their lives when they were bathing and they drowned in a stream in the Kishtwar district. At least 3 people died and 3 others were injured when a vehicle met with an accident in the Dachan area of the Kishtwar district today. Authorities in occupied Kashmir have intensified restrictions and deployed additional paramilitary troops along the Srinagar-Jammu highway. Additional troops from the Central Reserve Police Force and the Indian Police have been deployed along the highway. Nearly 5,000 residents of a village in the Handwara area of the Kupwara are grappling with severe disruptions and fatalities due to the apathy of the authorities towards their basic need. The villagers suffer immensely due to the absence of a proper bridge.